Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix DayZ Stuck at 60 FPS. So the first step, you just need to go to video and then make sure VSync is disabled, because sometimes it can cap your FPS. So make sure VSync is disabled, then you can close the game, and then you just need to tweak a few options. First one, on search, you need to write display settings, and on display settings you need to scroll down a bit until you see advanced display. Then select your right monitor that you use while you play DayZ. Then make sure refresh rate is highest available here. Then if you're using NVIDIA control panel, show more options in NVIDIA control panel. Let's wait for a couple of seconds, and then make sure that change resolution maximum hertz is selected with your native resolution as well, and the right monitor is selected as well. Then go to manage 3D settings. Super important, make sure VSync is disabled, and then make sure this option here you can set to whatever amount you want. Usually it's good on off, but if you want to, you can set to for example, if your monitor holds to 40, you can set to 40, and do not set to 60 or whatever, right? So yeah, that's it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.